Hi there, welcome back to my channel. It's soup season and nothing beats the cold like some good old soup. This is the first time I've used beef shank for soup, and I must say I was impressed by how good it turned out. The ingredients for this soup are beef shank, onion, vegeta, black peppercorns, cardamom pods, olive oil, salt to taste, and potatoes. This is a dump and cook recipe. I add all the ingredients into a pot topped with water and let it cook until the meat is cooked but still firm. It took an hour and a quarter to cook this. However, the time varies depending on the size of the meat, so please adjust this time to your liking. Keep adding water as needed until the meat is cooked. At this point, I add the potatoes and cook it on a medium flame for 20 to 30 minutes or until the potatoes are cooked and the meat is fork tender. I adjust salt to taste, allow it to blend in and turn the heat off. I now remove the meat and separate the meat from the bone. Then I shred it into bite-sized pieces and put it back into the pot. I served this by itself and it's one of the best soups I've had. It goes well with bread rolls, kisra, and rice. For many more simple recipes, subscribe and tap the notification bell, comment, like, and share. Thanks for stopping by and see you all in my next video.